welcome back to our next video, that is types of index number. So it is a request that if you have not seen the introduction of index numbers, just go through that and then come back to the types of index number. Today we are going to see these 4 points in our today's video. So the first one is price index number. Price index number, that means the prices of the commodities are compared here with the current year as well as the previous year. Just take an example. If the producer wants to compare the prices of the current year, that is 2020, with the year 2016, so at that time it is compared. So this type of index numbers are known as the price index number. And just keep one thing in your mind, that a distant year is not compared, because just say the year that is 1990, or just say the year 1985, like that distant years are not compared in the comparison of the index numbers, because it will not give the we can say the appropriate results will not be given. The next one is the quantity index number. Quantity index number, that means the quantities are compared with the previous year's quantities. Just take an example. For example, if any producer is there and if he has produced 1 lakh commodities in the year 2020, and if he wants to compare his manufacturing, whatever he has done, whatever commodities he has produced in the year 2000, say 2019, so he will compare the 2020 year with the year 2019. So that time quantities will be compared, not the price. In the case of price index number, only the prices will be compared, and in the case of the quantity index number, the quantities will be compared. The next one is the value index number. So value means what it is. Value, you just keep in your mind that this price and the quantity, when both the things are compared, so at that time it is known as the value index number. That means the prices are also compared of the current year as well as the previous years. Along with that, the quantity is also compared. That means the current year's quantity and the previous year's quantity. When both these things are compared, then at that time it is known as the value index number. So for that, the formula is P multiplied by Q, means price multiplied by the quantity. And the last one is special purpose index number. So the word special itself says that this type of index numbers are for the special purposes. Just say share market is there. So in the case of share market, if they want to compare the prices of the shares, current year's prices and previous years, so it will be compared. And even in the case of the armed forces are there, soldiers are there, military forces, so at that time also it may be compared. Or even we can say in the case of import and export, at that time also special purpose index numbers are needed. Thank you.